Okay, now I'm on page 276 of the Go Math textbook, going over problems 10 through 12. Let's get to it. A football team scored 2 touchdowns and 2 extra points. Their opponent scored 1 touchdown and 2 field goals. Write a numerical expression for the points scored in the game. We're going to be using this chart to help us. So we're going to be using the expression, so 2 touchdowns, and we'll use T for touchdowns, plus 2, and we'll use E for extra points. Their opponent scored 1 touchdown, so their opponent scored T plus, and would be plus 2, and we'll use F for field goals. Write a numerical expression for the points scored in the game. So we need all the points total. So let's combine some of these terms. So we have 2T and 1T here. So that's going to be 3 total T, or 3 total touchdowns, plus 2E, 2 extra points, plus 2F for 2 field goals. So that would be our expression. Okay. Number 11, write an algebraic expression for I'm sorry. I made a mistake up here. Let's fix it before it becomes a permanent mistake. Numerical expression. So we need to fill in these variables with our numbers that they have given us. So 3 times 6 plus 2 times, and we said E, so that's 1. That's not 2x, that's 2 times 1, plus 2 times, and F is our 3. So there's a numerical, all numbers. Now the next one says write an algebraic expression for the number of points scored by a football team that makes T touchdowns, F field goals, and E extra points. And it says by a football team, so we can choose either one of those football teams that were given to us in problem 10. So, or actually, no, we're not going to use these teams. We're going to use any team because we know the points. So 6 times however many touchdowns they get, plus 3 times however many field goals they get, plus 1 times however many extra points they get, and I can leave that 1 off because having nothing in front is the same thing as having a coefficient of 1. So touchdowns over 6, so 6 points for every touchdown. So if they score 3 touchdowns, it'd be 6 times 3. 3 points for every field goal they make. So if they, for example, make 2 field goals, it'd be 3 times 2. And then 1 point for every extra point. So if they make 2 extra points, we just put 2. And 2 times 1 is 2. So it's the same as having a coefficient of 1. All right, number 12. Identify the parts of the expression you wrote in exercise 11. So on problem 11, what are the parts? The expression, what does it show? Shows the sum of 3 terms the first term is the product of 6 and t 6 times t. The second term is the product of 3 and f and the third term is e. Or we could say the third term is the product of 1 and e, but that's essentially the same thing. All right, thanks for watching, and I will see you on the next one.